Human body sounds in English. Sigh. She can breathe a sigh of relief. Yawn. Cover your mouth to hide your yawn. Belch. He gave a loud belch. Farting. I'd been farting midnight. Snap the fingers. She hears Ollie snapping his fingers. Cracking the knuckles. I often crack my knuckles. Hiccup. Did you give a loud hiccup? Blow. Blow your nose. Don't sniff. Sneeze. Tom let out a loud sneeze. Groan. He fell to the floor with a groan. Grind the teeth. I am grinding my teeth. Cough. My cough troubles her. Scream or shout. It will be the scream of a soul dying. Laugh or giggle. He should have not laughed at my jokes. Whisper. He did not speak to me in a whisper. Whistle. The ship whistle shrieked to leave. Snore. Maybe he hears a snore and knew he'd fallen asleep. Growl. I hear a low growl behind her. Slurp. Do try not to slurp. Sniff. He did not give a loud sniff of disapproval. Hum. The air of the ball began to hum. Gasp. She gave a gasp of surprise. Mumble. Speak up. Don't mumble. Clap. Clap your hands to keep time. Crunch. I never ever hear a loud crunch. Gargle. He must gargle regularly. Smack the lips. Snort. I gave a loud snort.